And we're back. No Shave November update. I promise this is all I can grow. Just a natural goatee. Nothing up here. Little patch right there. But anyways, my name is Mitchell Reese, guys. I am your Cedar City realtor. I love to help people buy, sell, and invest in real estate and let them get to know everything on anything Cedar City real estate. So guys, give me some calls. I love when I get calls. I love to help you guys out. And make sure to come back to the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe because we're putting out consistent weekly content, both about Cedar City and the surrounding areas, showing amazing property tours, mostly new construction. And I can't wait to show you guys more. I love going out to different homes and filming them for you guys. So make sure to come back to the channel for that. Make sure to give me a call. Like I said before, that's my number. I love to help out and help you know what the city is like before you move here. And today I'd like to talk about Bryan Head, a beautiful little town, kind of close to Cedar City, but up in the mountains. So not super close, but it's about 40 minutes away, kind of a drive, winding, going up to Parowan, taking a right, going up to the canyons and driving up to the city of Bryan Head. And Bryan Head is obviously known for its ski resort. And I wanted to talk about it because winter's coming up and it actually opens tomorrow. And people, at least at the time of recording this video, and people want to know what there is to do in Cedar City and surrounding areas in the wintertime. So it's a great place for doing just that, going skiing, going snowboarding. And I was up there the other day just filming a cabin, and I was like, the main roads are perfectly cleared up, salted. They don't keep any snow left on there. They like to keep it nice and neat for tourists and drivers, keep it nice and safe. But I was driving up on this side road to a property to film it, and it was getting a little sketchy. I'm driving my little Subaru up there, and I'm thinking, okay, I'll just turn on X mode. I put it on snow mode, and I can climb the more packed and flat snow going up that first little bit, and then I get to another turn that's going even more remote on the edge of the city to get to this cabin, and the snow's getting deeper and deeper, and I have less and less traction. So I turn the X mode up, even better traction. I'm going, and I'm like kind of slipping and sliding all over the place, even though I'm going slow. And I'm like, maybe I should turn around, park, and walk the rest of the way. So it was even a struggle to turn my car around. But eventually I made it. I know you guys worry about me, but you know, I made it. Got my car parked, and I had to walk like half a mile uphill to this cabin. But it was beautiful. It was worth it. And I was glad I could check out the city to show you guys. So Bryan Head is a very cool place. It's got multiple spots where you can go down the mountain. Even though Cedar City is in southern Utah, it's got high enough elevation to where it's got a winter, and it's close to Bryan Head, which is over 11,000 feet elevation. So it's definitely got a winter. It's got a ton of snow right now, and it's home of Utah, the greatest snow on earth. Utah is known for having the greatest snow on earth because it's nice and dry. It's the whole state's actually a desert, so it makes really great fluffy snow because of that dryness. So hence the award, hence the reason why everyone says that Utah has the greatest snow on earth. But more about Bryan Head. Driving up through Main Street, it doesn't take too long to go through the entire thing, but you've got your shops on the left and right side, tons of condos, tons of hotels, mostly for tourists, obviously, because it's a small town in the mountains. But it'll definitely get packed when that skiing season comes around because everyone wants to get their turn. There are multiple other cities that have ski resorts near them, but Bryan Head is definitely the most popular one in southern Utah. So it's definitely worth checking out. You've got Annie's Apples, which is a country store there. There's also a mall that it's basically like a strip mall that just has a few stores, a pizza place and a tourist gift shop place where you can get some souvenirs. Show everyone you went to Bryan Head. Great pizza place where you can get a couple slices of pizza and a drink for like $7, so not too bad, when a lot of other places those prices are going to be like hiked up like crazy. But then there's your board shop and place for renting everything. So really you could just go up dressed how you are and go buy your gear and everything up there. Obviously you don't want to just buy brand new board and everything before you on the same day that you're going down the mountain. But great place for getting anything you need. Even if you weren't there just for the skiing, the snowboarding, the people there are so nice. I went to the visiting center and they were more than happy to show me my way around and help me navigate my way through the city. They'll have no problem showing you around as well. They won't just give you a map and say good luck. They have like a big painting behind the desk where it's not just a map, but it's like a big bird's eye view of Main Street itself. And they say, here we are, just go up the road if you want to go to the mall. Here's the resort on your left if you go up or go down south a little bit more. So really great and helpful people, as you'd expect in any small town, but a great place to be for sure. If you're looking for just some fun, there's tons of hotels and great places to visit. So if you just want to spend a few days there, you could spend some time with the locals and do a day of skiing or snowboarding and spend some time at the hotel chilling there, go eat out a little bit. It's a great place to visit. Make sure to check out Bryan Head, guys, and don't forget to come back to the channel because there's a ton of content on Cedar City and the surrounding areas in southern Utah, because there's a ton of great places for you to learn about. So I have all that content on my channel. I'm going to keep posting that consistently, and make sure to give me likes and come view my channel and videos, guys, because it's going to motivate me to keep putting these videos out for you. So make sure to give me a call as well if you're looking to move to a place near Bryan Head or Cedar City. I love talking to you guys. Give me a call or text, and thanks for coming, guys. We'll see you on the next video.